Hello and welcome to the Baler Minute. I'm Haley Parsons.
I'm Isaiah Bago.
My name's Anita Sanchez.
Congratulations to San Benito High School Superintendent Dr. Sean Tenenbaum for being named the Association of California School Administration Region 10 Superintendent of the Year and Baylor Educational Services Director Elaine Clower for being named the Curriculum and Instruction Administrator of the Year.
The Hollister FFA leadership team on Wednesday placed balloons at all of the career technical education classrooms to promote CTE opportunities for students.
By glow of the taillight, I stumbled back to the car and stood by the heat. A doe, a recent killing. She had stiffened already, almost cold.
Baylor senior Angelo Hillstock performed After the War by Rachel Galvin, and freshman Kayla Salazar performed Battle Hymn of the Republic by Julia Ward at Tuesday's Board of Trustees meeting.
I've seen him in the watchfires of 100 circling camps. They have builded him an altar in the evening dews and damps. I can read his righteous sentence by the dim and flaring lamps. His day is marching on.
Kayla won the recent Poetry Out Loud competition and will present San Benito County at the state competition in Sacramento next month. Angelo was a finalist in the competition. Stay connected to San Benito High School by following Baylor News on Twitter and Instagram, Baylor Sports on Instagram, and by liking San Benito High School on Facebook.